In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA with PlayStation 4 players on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, GTA 5 is available for old-gen consoles such as the PlayStation 4, but also new-gen like the PlayStation 5. However, a very clear limitation is that you cannot play together, so these versions are not compatible with each other. So if you are playing the online version on PlayStation 5, you will only be matched up with people on PlayStation 5 and the same for PlayStation 4. However, if you are on a PlayStation 5, there is a method that allows you to bypass this and play with people on PlayStation 4, including your friends. For this, what you have to do is switch the version of the game. So instead of running the standard PlayStation 5 version, you have to download the PlayStation 4 version. PlayStation 4 players cannot do anything about this because, of course, they only have the access to the PlayStation 4 version. So, if you have a friend who is on PlayStation 4, they don't have to do anything special. Let's say, for this example, you are on the PlayStation 5. What you have to do is go back to the home screen of the game, and then next to Play Game, you will have these three dots. Just select them and then choose Select Version. So, go into the options of GTA 5 and then select version. Now, as you can see, you are able to download GTA 5 for the PlayStation 5, which is the new gen version and exclusive of playing with other PlayStation 5 players. However, you can also download the PlayStation 4 version, and this is what you need if you want to play with friends who are on old gen. Keep in mind that, like I said before, this version is not going to be compatible with PlayStation 5. So whenever you are playing this version, you are limited to playing with people who are only on PlayStation 4. So let's say, another example, you have a trio, so you and two friends, and two of you are on PlayStation 5. Both of you are going to have to download the PlayStation 4 version in order for everyone to play together with the other person who is on PlayStation 4. As long as you download the PlayStation 4 version of GTA 5, you are good to go. You just launch it like normal, go into online, and you will be able to play with your friends as if you are playing the new gen version. But this one is going to bypass this exclusivity thing. So essentially, you are running the PlayStation 4 version on a PlayStation 5. I hope I was able to help you on how to play GTA with PlayStation 4 players on PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.